Is WhatsApp down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see, WhatsApp is not working right now. I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with WhatsApp right now. You are not able to send messages or to receive messages. This is the problem with WhatsApp right now. It's just not working. The servers are down. This is a major outage. The problem is worldwide. Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do to fix this because this is a server problem. You should try to restart your phone or to clear the cache or the data from your phone settings. And also you can try to reinstall the app. But I think these solutions will not work because this is a major outage and this is a server issue. You should just try and wait for them to fix this problem. So if you do have issues with WhatsApp right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your issues, with your thoughts about this problem. You can like the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.